सत श्री अकाल। गुजरी महला पंजवा, पंचपदा घर दूजा, एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद। प्रथमे गर्भ माता के वासा, ऊहा छोड़ी धरन मह आया। This is actually a beautiful line, and I will come back to this line again and again during the paragraph as we understand why Guru Arjan Dev Ji has introduced this line in this paragraph and the depth in his knowledge and philosophy as he is trying to give us this a bit of information and knowledge. When we are born, when we come to be who we are during inception, where does the inception happen? In the womb. How do we grow? By putting faith to our maker. The maker in the womb is who? The mother. We are not questioning the mother. We only have full faith on our environment and our maker, who is the mom, and we submit ourselves completely to that person. And only when we submit ourselves to that person, guess what? Miracles happen. The eyes, nose, ears, organs, hands, feet, fingers, nails, everything takes shape, and a human body is created from one cell to multiple cells, all joined together to take and create a human form only because of faith. Because we did not stop that process. Because we gave ourselves, submitted ourselves, and we only thrived in that environment. And once we thrived and we became and reached our potential in that environment, we came out to this world. Chitrasal, Sundar Bagh, Mandar Sang Na Kachu Jaya. Picturesque abodes, beautiful gardens, mansions, palaces, nothing will go with you once it is time for you to return back. Avar sab mithya lob labi. Remember, everything else around you is irrelevant. Everything else around you is driven by greed. Gur pure diyo har nama, jya ko eha vasatra fabi. The full Lord, the complete Lord, He has given you, or He wants you to take the gift of His name. He has given you the gift of His name, and what does He want you to do? He wants you to keep that name within your heart, within your soul, and then thrive with it. Because what we have failed to realize, and what beautifully is explained in this, is that human will thrive in an environment of protection when we know there is someone to take care of us, and when we submit ourselves. Look at the example of the womb. This is how we started, and the Lord is willing to give you that environment. That environment is when you accept His name and you put His name within your heart, and then you can thrive. But simple things like this we don't understand. We don't follow. And when we don't follow, what happens? Rahav isat meet bandap sut bai sang banita rach hasiya. With our friends, family, loved ones, siblings, and our spouses, our partners, we get so caught up in having fun with them. We are rach hasiya. We are having fun. We're having a good time because we are caught up in this false delusion that We control our destiny. We are the creators and makers of this happiness, and this happiness and this joy and enjoyment that we face is the creation and the result of our effort. Our input is equal to our output. जब अंती अवसर आए बनियो हे उन पेकथ ही काल घसिया. But when your end comes, what do the people do? जब अंती अवसर आए, when your end moment is here, बनियो ए उन पेखत, all these friends and your comrades only become mere spectators, while the Kal, the messenger of death, drags you away. कर कर अनरथ बिहाजी संपे सुइना रूपा दामा. You take on the form of this sharp, selfish person, and you use oppression, you use greed, you use your power and your wealth and your status to accumulate wealth, to accumulate what belongs to others. All that sampati, everything that you can see, you want to take and accumulate as yours. Not only that, but you also take things that belong to others. But remember, बाड़ी को ओह बाड़ा मिलिया, होर सगल भयो बिराना. You merely are a wage worker. If you have not accepted God in your heart, that is who you are. In this entire world, you are simply a wage worker. And what you will get are only your wages. Everything else is distributed to the universe. And once you realize that you are not getting enough, what do? You still don't submit because you don't know how to submit. You go here and there and go on to take even Rath Sambahe Gahu Kar Kine Mere. You try and make yours and call yours all the horses and chariots and elephants, and you go here and there and take them all as yours, because at the time that this was written, these animals were symbolic of power. They were symbolic of your ability to journey. They were symbolic of immense intellect and success. So you go here and there and you gather all these symbolisms and call them as yours. But what happens? जब ते होई लंबी बधाई चले नाही एक पैरे. But when you use all your accumulations and everything to embark on that long journey, you feel you have with you all those virtues and talents and wealth that will help you reach your destination. And when you try to take a step towards that destination using what you have wrongfully accumulated and accomplished, what happens? Nahi ik pere. They don't even take a single step in that direction. It means that these talents and these accumulations don't work for you. They forsake you. They forsake you because they didn't belong to you to begin with. Naam dhan, naam sukh, raja, naam kutumb sahai. The only way to reach your destiny, the only way to thrive, as is seen by how we are born. Remember, you were born in a womb, you thrived with protection, you thrived with faith, you thrived with love, and you thrived with affection. There is no other formula that can work for you. And to get back to that formula, remember and accept in your heart that the true wealth is His name. The true royalty is his name. The peace and happiness is within his name, and it is his name that will save you and your family, and it is the protector of your kutumb, your family. Naam Sampati Gur Nanak ko diye. The wealth of the name is what the Lord has given to all of us. Once we accept it, once we take it as ours and submit ourselves to that name and put ourselves in that environment where we took birth, what will happen? That name doesn't go away. Oh mare na aave jai. That name, that environment becomes yours. That environment cannot perish, neither can it go anywhere, because it becomes your house, your womb, your place, and you are now set to accomplish your destiny and wait for miracles to happen to you. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।